Bullish Spell token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market examiners accept Spell could reach $0 2025. Bearish Spell token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Spell token presentation. Spell token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi, and different bend curve tokens as security. Abracadabra likewise offers yield cultivating open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate Spell token. The venture was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally answerable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the Torrential Slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and aggregately recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Regardless of the eccentric name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this video is to give you an exhaustive value forecast of Spell token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some benefit to its clients. Then, at that point, we will likewise investigate the verifiable cost activity as well as the job of Spell token in the biological system. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. Nonetheless, Abracadabra is one of a kind in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a sort of liquidity supplier token, as guarantee. These IBKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They create ceaseless returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This advancement assists at Abracadabra and its auxiliary innovations with preferring Spell token and Sorcery Web Cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. Spell token is the stage's local money in view of the Ethereum blockchain, however a lot higher in amount than MIM. These coins are really tracked down less ordinarily available for use. This is on the grounds that they are generally utilized as a type of administration token on Abracadabra's own foundation. Administration tokens give holders the choice to either cast a ballot themselves or representative their votes in regards to changes on the responsible stage's update. This basically implies they become a type of partner, and similarly likewise with typical stakeholding. The more capital they vow, the more prominent their say in proposed changes to that stage's organization. Spell token is as of now worth $0. Spell has moved 0.82% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,582,028. Spell token is as of now positioned 349 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $54,487,487 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Spell token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Spell token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Spell token value forecast 2023. Spell token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Spell cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Spell is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Spell token Spell cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Spell will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Spell's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Spell will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Spell might benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Spell is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Spell token value expectation 2026. Assuming that Spell token effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Spell coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Spell will be green in 2026. The Spell is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Spell token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Spell cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027. With a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, Spell has a greatest value worth of $0. Spell token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that Spell figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help Spell needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Spell token value expectation 2029. While Spell is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Spell token value expectation 2030. By 2030, Spell token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Spell token value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Spell cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the Spell token cost today? Today, Spell token is exchanging at $0, an all-out market capitalization of $54,487,487. Is Spell token a wise speculation? Spell token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that Spell is a decent decision of venture. How high can Spell token go? The typical cost of Spell token might potentially reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Spell token might outperform $0. What amount will Spell token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising notoriety of digital money and Spell token, a drawn-out interest in Spell could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years.